Hi guys, welcome on my YouTube channel Crochet Pink Pumpkin. Today I'm gonna show you the invisible finish or fast enough. So when you are done with the last stitch of your round, you cut your thread, you make a yarn over and you pass it through the loop. So it will make a knot, you know, if you pull on the thread. So it will secure your work. Then you get a darning needle. And you will look, there is one stitch right here. You will put in the second stitch, not the first one, the second one, and you put it through the two loops, so your thread is on the back, and then you look on the front loop of your stitch, on the last stitch you made, and you pull your thread in it. There you go. So it creates like a fake stitch and you pass your thread, you know, in your work like that. So you recreate like a fake stitch, so visually it's invisible. So subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and I see you very soon. Bye bye.